My biggest reason for running is for stress relief and just plain fun. I like doing it. I've been running since 1975. Started my 47th year, would have been back in May. Do I do it year round? Yes, I do. There's people out there that wanted to run with me, fine, but I'm slow enough nowadays that I run probably about 15 and a half to 16 and a half minute miles for this. But I still run races nowadays. 5 days a week, but usually I run around 2 hours is what it takes me to run 7.5 miles. That's why I run 5 days a week. I'm the only one out of the bunch that does. So my brother did for 25 years, but he smokes and he won't quit smoking now. So. I just like to say that over the years, I think it's a real good way to meet other people, because what I do is I run a lot of races, and in my lifetime, I will have come New Year's, because I got the New Year's Day Dash, and I'm going to be running in Middleton. Well, that'll be race number 1,550 lifetime. You know what? Each of us got to do whatever makes us happy. This makes me happy, but like I say, if it's an inspiration to get somebody else running, fine.